All right, NMC, this is the video to find the winner of the Ultimate Full-Size Football. This is the freebie for people that entered last Friday night's breaks. So all the winning spots have been removed, so we have 56 possible entries. There they are. So we're going to check the time, July 25th at 2:19 p.m. We're going to go over, well, let's go over to the announcement here. Oops, and type live. And we have July 25th at 2:19 p.m. Like I said, there's the list of our 56 non-winning entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever comes out on top after the final roll wins the football. So here we go. We need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 10. All right, 10 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Josh, whatever break that was, spot 9. So, Josh, you will have the full-size football opened on Friday, and that will be yours, whatever is in that box. And again, there is our verification code, our timestamp. Once again, there is July 25th at 2:20 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.